This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheese Khakhra at home. First, gather your ingredients: whole wheat flour, salt, and a little oil. Mix these dry ingredients in a bowl, then slowly add water. Knead the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until you have a smooth, firm dough. This initial step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture in your Khakhra. Next, divide your prepared dough into small, uniform portions. Each portion should be rolled out very thinly, aiming for a diameter of about 6 inches. The thinner the Khakhra, the crispier it will be. Once rolled, spread a generous, even layer of your favorite grated cheese over one side of the disc. This is where the cheesy magic truly begins. Now it's time to cook your Khakhra. Heat a non-stick tawa or griddle over a medium-low flame. Place the Khakhra onto the hot surface, with the cheese side facing down first. Cook it until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Use a clean cloth to gently press down on the Khakhra, ensuring it cooks evenly and becomes wonderfully crisp. Flip and repeat on the other side. Continue cooking your Khakhra, flipping it as needed, until both sides are perfectly crisp and golden. Once done, remove it from the tawa and let it cool slightly before serving. These homemade cheese Khakhra are fantastic on their own or paired with your favorite chutney or pickle. They make a wonderful snack anytime. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.